Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone looking to spruce up their kitchen cabinets, the Nuvo Cabinet Paint in Antique White. Stick around as we explore why this product is hailed as the best antique white paint for kitchen cabinets on the market. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at what makes this paint stand out. The Nuvo Cabinet Paint comes in a convenient quart size, providing ample coverage for your cabinet makeover project. Its antique white shade, part of the rustic collection, offers a light, creamy beige finish, perfect for achieving that timeless look in your kitchen. But what really sets this paint apart is its ease of use. Unlike traditional cabinet painting methods that require priming and multiple coats, Nuvo Cabinet Paint simplifies the process into a DIY-friendly one-weekend project. With just a roller and brush, you can achieve professional-looking results without the hassle of cabinet removal or priming. Now, let's talk about performance. The water-based acrylic formula ensures low odor and vox, making it safe to use indoors. Plus, with its satin finish, this paint offers a durable and long-lasting solution for your cabinets. Whether you're tackling a full kitchen makeover or just refreshing a few cabinets, Nuvo Cabinet Paint has got you covered. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the ease of use, beautiful finish, and exceptional value for money that Nuvo Cabinet Paint delivers. From transforming outdated cabinets to achieving a professional-grade look, this product has earned the trust of DIY enthusiasts and homeowners alike. So, if you're ready to breathe new life into your kitchen cabinets, look no further than Nuvo Cabinet Paint in Antique White. Head over to Amazon.com to get your hands on this top-rated product and start your cabinet makeover journey today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more expert reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy painting!